Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port flex on the iPhone X mobile phone. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then undo two bottom screws by using a pendulum screwdriver. To take out the screen, you need a good suction cup or something similar. Here we are using a double-sided suction cup to lift the front assembly. If not, you can use a regular suction cup to raise the screen and a plastic upright tool or triangular pickers for separation and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Lift the screen, keep the direction like opening a book, and then remove 5 screws to take out the shield. Then undo the battery, touch, LCD and earpiece assembly plug. Now the LCD unit can leave from the body. Next, on the bottom, take out the antenna bracket by undoing 7 screws and disconnecting the plug. Next, unplug the connector and take out the speaker buzzer, and then lift the Taptic engine by clearing the plug. Next, take out the battery by peeling tapes out. There are 3 adhesive tabs, one on the top and 2 more on the battery's bottom side. By using your fingers or tweezer, gently pull out the adhesive strips. Take out the battery and disconnect the 9 connector plugs that are secured in the logic board. Next, take out the front face camera unit from the board. Next, take out the logic board by disconnecting one more plug and by undoing 4 screws. Be gentle while taking out the board. Move aside cables and lift the board gradually. Now on the charging port, undo 3 screws and take out the bracket. Next, undo 2 more screws that are secured in the charging port, and then gently lift the charging port by peeling the cable from the body. Take out the broken charging port and place the new charging port flex on the board. Place the charging port and secure it by adding 4 screws, and then place the shield by adding the screw. Next, place the logic board and secure it 4 screws with the bracket. Next, place the Taptic engine by adding the screw and securing the plug, and then place the speaker buzzer by connecting the plug. Next, place the bracket on the speaker buzzer connector and lock in with the screw. Next, place the antenna bracket by connecting the plug and securing 6 screws. Next, secure 7 plugs into the logic board and place the front camera by connecting 3 connector plugs. Next, place the battery by adding adhesive into the body. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive into the frame. Please note, this tape will not completely protect the device against the liquid. Next, secure the battery connector and place the LCD unit by connecting 3 plugs. Next, secure the shield by adding 5 screws. Next, to clamp up the iPhone, click in the top section first, then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. And finalize the installation by adding the SIM tray and 2 screws in the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.